Metric or no metric, but this is an opportunity that doesn't discriminate. Wow. Ha. So FNB is offering you an access to study coding for free. But you know what happened? If you can master that, if you can graduate there, then you become a qualified. Qualified. Hey, that's the word I'm using. Qualified software developer. You know what it does? Have you noticed that everything is about app, but leave app? Have you noticed that everything evolves around technology these days? Oh, yeah. So when you study this coding thing, what FNB is basically doing is giving you a skill that if you were to get the skill, every person will be looking for you. Yeah, because everything evolves around technology. And if you can get the skill, not only you become important to the big businesses, but you become important to a middle business, even to a new startup. I'll give an example about this. Coding gives you access to develop systems, right? I'll give an example. If I want, because right now, as of me recording this video, I'm working from home. But I need to communicate with the people, some of the people that I'm working with who are also not at the office. So I want to create a system. I've got my office, but I don't want to have I'm looking at getting a system where we can have the system communicating with everybody through the system. Who do I need? You. What I'm saying is, studying this gives you that opportunity. Imagine I need a website. I don't have a website as of yet. So coding gives you that access to just know how to develop these things. So there are more benefits in studying this than you think. Just this. Guys, you only need few weeks. Just few weeks to study this thing. Just few weeks. Guys, come on. People will complain and say, people do not plug us. People don't give us the plug. This is the plug. If you don't want to take this opportunity, it's not FNB's problem. It's not my problem. You fail yourself. Don't include me there. You fail yourself, right? So I'm going to share you a bit of details right now. I want you to listen very attentively. I want to share a video. I saw this video on TikTok and I said to myself, wait a minute. This video is important for the people who are following me on YouTube, especially SA Business Ideas and Jobs. This video is the most important video. What happened? Guys, I don't know what happened. So this is the most important video. But I would like you to listen to the video. Here.
Please don't sleep on this. FNB is offering a comprehensive coding course, and the best part is you don't even need to have a matric certificate in order to enroll. There's a guy who did this course while he was in grade 11, and now he's a full stack software developer. But this course is not just about teaching you how to code. You also get access to industry mentorship and career building opportunity. They have extended the enrollment date to the 22nd of April. You are literally getting free accredited training in a high demand funded by one of the top banks in South Africa. Spaces are limited, so you can just search FNB App Academy and then fill in this form. It's a very simple form. It will take you under 30 seconds.
Okay, so you have listened to the video. Can you please trust me? You have my word. Please, you have my word. This is one of the video. This is one of the most important video I've made. You see the calls that I've just shared with you. Yo, I wish somebody was to listen to me now and do exactly what I'm asking you to do. I wish somebody was to obey this. I wish somebody was to share this with somebody who's not working somewhere. And let's just look at a person changing their lives. A change of life. Like, you don't have to be employed, but don't think of FNB as a company that has to employ you once you're done. No, I'm going to work for the bank. No, don't even think about it. Even if you don't work for FNB, it's fine. Perfectly fine. but by having the skills, the coding skills. Oh, it's you see these days, guys, coding, cybersecurity, skills evolving around that. Oh, you can never go wrong. Never. You can never go wrong. Because the world is looking, South Africa is a third world country, right? So we are not even close to America, for instance, China, Brazil, what? No, not Brazil, but yeah, China, America, UK. We're not even close to those countries. But if you were to study this thing, as we are pushing towards their standard, they are pushing higher. American and other countries, they are pushing a bit higher. We are pushing towards. By the time, Tina, we are catching up to certain things, but they are already ahead. In other words, there are more opportunities that are being created. The need for such skills, it is escalating. Then the demand is escalating instead of just, that's why FNB even thought of offering it for free, because it is that important. The other time I came across a video of a person who studied cybersecurity for a few weeks, and that person tells you, I earn not less than 50K a month. That's how much this thing is in demand. Guys, if ever there's a plaque, if ever there's one thing in terms of educational that I ever said to you, it's this video. You see this one? So, to a person who wants to study and improve their lives, this is the most important video in all the videos that I've ever shared with you in terms of education, learning. I don't care your gender. Guys, I'm giving a practical example. The website thing is just an overrated thing. Everybody these days know. But I'm just giving an example. These days, you can't function without website because things are moving towards digital. So the demand is skyrocketing. But it's not just website. It's the systems that must be created. For instance, I don't want to have a landline. I don't want a landline. Me, personally, I don't want a landline. I need systems. What if you can learn coding, for instance? I need guys. I don't understand. I don't know how best can I describe this, but here's an example. I'm building my online store. It's there, it's ready. It's just a matter of now I should just go and buy the product and start selling. But this is what I want to do. When an order comes in, I want to create a systems where I can place an order from my supplier, and then it activates something where the supplier sends this order directly where I want it to be sent, and then it gets packaged and then sent there, and then that system where it's efficient. Right now, I will need to physically go the order, get a car, send the stock. But what if I have systems in place? I just press one thing and then it goes like shoo. Others have this system in place to such an extent that even when they make money, they can calculate the profit and split the money like that. That's coding, guys. They've got systems in place where, for instance, if your online store is paying you, make an example, it's paying you 100,000. The system can calculate and tell you what's the profit and send the profit and send the money back and divide the money accordingly. This is the money you spend on stock. This is the money that belongs to the business. This is the money that becomes your profit. This is what you're going to pick. This is what systems, guys. We're talking systems these days. So I can go to America, for instance, on a vacation. Whilst I'm in America, I can order and get everything done and continue to make money. Whilst I'm in America, I don't need to be here. I know a person who has such a complicated system that was built for him by a person who knows coding. Do you see what I'm trying to say? What if, in my company right now, I want WhatsApp, right? I want to have a system, right, where we can find a way of communicating, and I can send things to my team for editing, and they say, I need an efficient system. It's difficult to find one. You see, coding, guys, makes things easier. Some people don't need to work. They don't need to come to the office. We just need to create a system where we can be able to communicate with each other in the system. I know you will say, but there's WhatsApp. It's not that good for what we were doing. It's not that good. I'll give an example. I'll send a file that is around 3 gig or so, and maybe 5 of those files. And Google Drive, for instance, will tell you man, you need to buy. I'm not saying you will create things like that in the beginning, but I'm saying it's about systems, understanding systems, putting things together. This is one of the most important things that I've ever said to you, especially in a country that is full of unemployed people. You don't need even to have metric for that matter. So you have no reason whatsoever. Guys, we are living in a digital space. You see how content creation is thriving. By the way, a lot of people who makes money, a lot of people who makes money, or it has been predicted that most people or most millionaires will come from content creation. But here's an interesting thing about it. Did you know that in Silicon Valley, when they discovered gold, the research says people who made most of the money, it's not the people who created companies and went and dig for that gold. It's not those people. People who made money, it's the people who rented out the equipment to the companies that wanted to go dig for the gold. I hope you look. I hope you hear what I'm saying. What I'm basically saying is, you don't need to be a content creator for you to make money during the content creation era, but you need to be the person who can make things happen. And you need to make sure that you are in demand. Till now we depend on you. That's it. That's all that you want. You want us to depend on you. And then you provide us services. That's it. So, I don't want you. Okay, let me ask this last question. Can I ask you guys to do me a favor? Just take this video. Take this video and send it to all the people you know that are unemployed. All the people who are trying, doing something. Send this video to those people. Tell me your thought and your opinion about it in the comment section below. These are the people who must stop sitting at home and do nothing because the government is not doing anything for them. These are the people that I want them to learn 1 or 2 skills. These are the people that I think the skill can also keep them busy too. But it's not just being busy. It's accumulation of information, of a skill that makes you money without you being employed. You don't. Yeah, guys, I'm like, if I can have the skills, coding, if I had time, this is one thing that I will study all day long. If I had time, because you lose nothing from acquiring the skill. You lose nothing. That's 1. 2. After acquiring the skill and practicing, I don't need to be employed. I just need to create employment for myself. That's what I will do. So if I were you learning this, I will be saying to myself, this is a perfect time for me to be self-employed.